In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a partner from Google Photos partner sharing. If you've ever set up partner sharing to automatically share your photo library with someone and now want to stop, I'll walk you through the process clearly and calmly so you know exactly what to expect. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that your Google Photos app is up to date. A stable internet connection will also help everything load smoothly. Begin by opening the Google Photos app on your device. You'll land on your main photo library. From here, look to the top right corner and tap your profile avatar. This is the small circular icon associated with your account. It's the quickest way to reach your account panel and the app's settings. In the panel that appears, select Google Photos settings. This opens the area where you can manage everything from backup preferences to sharing controls. We'll focus on the sharing section for today. Next, tap Sharing. This section groups all the ways you share in Google Photos, including shared albums and partner sharing. It's also a good place to review your current sharing activity. Now tap Partner Sharing. This is the feature that lets you automatically share some or all of your photos with a trusted partner. If you've previously set this up, you'll see the partner listed here along with any relevant details about what's being shared. Find the partner you want to remove and tap Remove Partner. This action stops ongoing partner sharing, which means new photos will no longer be shared automatically. It doesn't delete any photos from your library or from theirs, and it doesn't remove photos that were already shared in the past. Think of it as turning off the automatic pipeline going forward. If the app presents any on-screen notes, read them so you understand the change. You can always set up partner sharing again later from the same place if you need to. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the screens look slightly different on your device, don't worry. Google Photos can vary a bit between Android and iOS, but the steps are the same. If you don't see partner sharing at all, double check that you're on the right account and update the app. After removing a partner, you can review your sharing tab to make sure your current sharing setup matches what you want. And that's it. You've successfully removed a partner from Google Photos partner sharing, keeping control over exactly what you share and when.